Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the Dishrack Stop in your dishwasher. The reason why you'd have to do this is because it's broken, damaged, or missing. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for our demonstration. It's a Maytag. Keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. So we're going to start with opening up our dishwasher's door here. And you'll see on this side there's no stop. Right here we've got a stop. So when we pull it out, that side comes out a little bit, and it shouldn't be doing that. So what we're going to do is put these weights up here. You grab your new OEM replacement Dishrack Stop, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So all we have to do is just slide it into place like so, and just push it so it fits in there, and then close that, and it should lock into place. There we go. And if you have an old one on here that needs to be replaced for some reason because it's broken or damaged, all you have to do to open it is just grab onto one side and unsnap it like so, and then it'll come right off just like this. So we'll put this back in again, and now it'll properly stop the dish rack. Once it gets to that point right there, we'll slide our dish rack back in, and now you can close up your washer door, plug everything back in, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.